What is going on, guys? It's Chris Productions back at it again here with another smoke alarm test. I think this is number 3 or 4. But yeah, right here we got the basement smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm. So we're gonna test it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it does do kind of an off-tone little pitch. There's a sensor. But now we can go to the kitchen. Okay, so now in the kitchen, move this. Get up here. We have the kitchen smoke detector plus carbon monoxide alarm. It's an older one. I'm gonna test this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this one's working. And yes, I'm gonna mention her in pretty much every video. She always is crying. We also put on some bird TV for her and stuff because I heard it helps relax dogs, but you know, she doesn't like the alarms. But I do. I feel bad for her ears, but gotta keep the channel going, and I like doing this kind of stuff. So, she is fine. Well, actually, not really, because it hurts her ears, but y'all get it. She just doesn't like the noise. What I do now is grab this broom to test carbon monoxide alarm right over there. Hello, detector. Okay, so we know that alarm's good. Even though it is over 10 years, this device will be replaced soon. I'm gonna need this again, just to test the ones upstairs. Here in the bedroom, my bedroom anyways, we have this smoke detector right here. Yes, the lighting is pretty poor, but we're gonna test it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that one's good. Here in the other bedroom, we do have an older one. I might have trouble trying to get the button on this one, but see, it makes a tick. Come on. You know what? I don't want to test that one. We know it works anyways. But that will conclude the test. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.